Hey guys, it's Colin for Boss Audio Systems. And on today's Boss Basics, we're going to continue that aftermarket install and talk about dash kits. With some dash configurations, you'll need to utilize a dash kit in order to be able to install an aftermarket stereo in a vehicle. A dash kit consists of a mounting bracket and trim, which enables you to fit a standard single DIN or double DIN head unit into your existing dashboard. And because they're designed to work with specific vehicles, a good dash kit will provide a seamless fit and blend well with the rest of the dash. When installing a new dash kit in preparation for an aftermarket stereo, a few tools will help you get the job done easier and faster. To install your dash kit, you'll need some trim panel removal tools, as these will help you get under panels and trim without damaging them, along with a few other essentials such as a set of hook and pick tools, which can help you reach behind tight spaces for removing difficult bezels and fishing out wires, a set of Torx and Phillips drivers, a socket set, pliers, and a hex key set, wire strippers and crimpers, butt connectors, and zip ties. It's really not as scary as it sounds, and there may be companies that sell dash kits to fit your exact make and model of your vehicle. As always, head over to bossaudio.com for more information, subscribe, and like this video. I'm Colin from Boss Basics. We'll see you soon.